Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to check your voicemail on Xfinity mobile using a phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the phone app. This is the app with the green icon where you usually make calls. At the bottom of the phone app, tap voicemail. This will open your voicemail inbox where all your messages are stored. You will see a list of voicemail with the caller's name or numbers and the time they called. Tap on a voicemail to play it. You can also pause, rewind, or fast forward while listening. If you want to delete a voicemail, swipe left on the message and tap delete. To save it, tap the share icon to send it to your email, notes, or files. If you haven't set up visual voicemail yet, you may see a message asking you to set up now. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a password and activate visual voicemail. This makes checking messages even easier in the future. And that's it. Yeah, now you know how to check your Xfinity voicemail on iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.